Alright, so you're diving into the world of video editing with Kinemaster. That's dope. But before you hit that upload button, let's talk about something super important: copyright. Nobody wants to get hit with a claim, or even worse, a strike on their channel. It's like getting flagged for using the wrong filter, but with potentially way bigger consequences. In this video, we're breaking down how to edit videos on Kinemaster while keeping things 100% copyright friendly. First things first, the safest bet is to use your own footage. If you shot it, created it, or it magically appeared in your downloads folder from your own creative genius, you're good to go. This is your content, your rules. Need some epic B-roll or a killer soundtrack, but don't have the time or resources to create it yourself? No worries, that's where royalty-free and Creative Commons licensed content come in. Sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash are your best friends for visuals. Now this is where things can get a little tricky. That chart-topping hit you love, yeah, chances are it's copyrighted. Using copyrighted music or movie clips without permission is a big no-no. We're talking potential takedown notices, strikes against your channel, the whole 9 yards. Chapter 4, properly attribute Creative Commons materials, if required. So you found the perfect Creative Commons track awesome. Just remember to give credit where credit is due. It's usually as simple as dropping a link in your video description. Think of it as a shout out to the creator for their awesome work. Chapter 5, remove copyrighted watermarks and logos. Trying to sneak past copyright by blurring out a watermark? Yeah, not so fast. Even if you try to disguise copyrighted content, it can still get flagged. It's always best to play it safe and get permission or find alternative content. Chapter 6. Avoid fair use risks. Fair use, the Bermuda Triangle of copyright law. While it allows for some use of copyrighted material, it's a grey area you don't want to get lost in. Even if you think your video qualifies, it's not a guaranteed shield against claims. Chapter 7. Edit and save your project in Kinemaster. Now for the fun part, editing. Once you've got your copyright-friendly content locked and loaded, fire up Kinemaster and let your creativity run wild. Import your clips, add transitions, effects, text, whatever your editing heart desires. Chapter 8. Check before uploading. Hold your horses. Before you unleash your masterpiece upon the world, take a minute to double-check everything. YouTube and other platforms have their own copyright systems like Content ID that can flag your video even if you think it's all good. Chapter 9. Add a disclaimer or attribution if needed. If you're using any fair use content or materials under Creative Commons, it's always a good idea to add a disclaimer or attribution. This shows transparency and gives credit where it's due. Outro. So there you have it, your guide to navigating the sometimes confusing world of copyright when editing videos in Kinemaster. Remember, using copyright-protected material without permission can lead to some serious consequences. You don't want your channel to get caught in the crossfire. By following these tips, you can create awesome videos without the stress of copyright claims. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. Keep creating, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.